I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to rearrange and move apps on the home page. So on the home page, when you scroll down once, so let me press the home button to go home. When you press your remote once, you'll see a list of your applications. Of course, okay. Now I'll be showing you how to rearrange these apps so you can have the apps you normally use the most at the beginning of this list. So what you need to do is simply go to any app. So let's say I want to move this FIFA app to the beginning. Okay. So with that app tile selected, long press on the OK button on your remote until you see this little window, and that allows you to move that app around. Okay, so you can see the 4 arrows around the icon. I can move it up, down, right, and left. Okay, so let's for instance put it at the beginning of the list. So I'll just place it there right before Netflix and then press OK. And then now I can hit the back button and exit out of there. And now you can see that app is at the beginning of my list. It's the first item on my list. So I can do that for all the apps that I have installed on this VIDAA Hisense TV. So I can even pick an app from this section in the more apps section, an app that's not appearing on the home screen. Let me pick, for instance, this UFC app. Long press until you see the arrows, and then now I can start moving it around, and I can move it to the top. Let me place it somewhere between DSTV and Showmax and press OK, and that's it. So now when I go back to the home screen and I look at the beginning of the list, I should have my UFC app exactly where I placed it. And that's basically how to move and rearrange apps on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.